Welcome to a quick demonstration of Plus Glass Code, code generation software for glass retailers, small glass processors and tougheners. The input required are the glass details and the process, fittings and the rates of all of them. Plus Glass Code generate more than 30 reports. Major reports are quotation, job sheet, delivery challan and tax invoice. VAT, service tax, excise taxes are calculated automatically. Other important features are labeling and link to tally. Major benefits of Plus Glass codes are get accurate code, rate code, detail code quickly, charge size calculation made easy, project specific rates, work in and inches, easily switching, multiple delivery challans, automatic VAT, excise taxes calculation, track outstanding, to-do list and tutorial in English and Hindi. This is the code prepared manually. We have 12 clear toughened glass with holes and cutouts, 8 clear glass with process and couple of fitting them. The total value is 1,17,425. We will now make this code in Plus Glass Code. This is the dashboard of Plus Glass Code from where we can access all its functions easily. Make new project for the customer ABC Glass House with default template. This is the project page which has default customer name, the address, project code and the working units. In the glass, select category toughen glass and select the material 12 SI. Enter length and width, quantity. You can copy paste the data from spreadsheet. For the simply create a new row by pressing tab. Copy length with quantity from spreadsheet. Similarly 8 glass with different 3 sizes. Add holes on glass items, select glasses and click the process button. To add holes, click on holes button. Add 2 holes and press OK. Similarly do for cutouts. For G2 and G3 we have 2 cutouts and G4 have only 1 cutout. So first we select G2 and G3 for adding 2 cutouts. Then press OK. For G3 there is only 1 cutout. So add individually, add cutouts, then select type 1 quantity, then OK. OK. Similarly for clear glass there is one process etching, CEP and back paint. So here we will add process etching. As acid etching is based on charge area, so select charge area, then press OK. Press on CEP button, then press OK. And there is one more process in G10, back paint. Click on back paint and press OK. Now add 2 fitting items with 3 quantities. First one is a patch fitting, 3 quantity. Second one is handles, D-tone handles, quantity 3. Press F2 for auto name. Then go to rates page. In rate page, the standard rate has been copied automatically. We can change the rates of material and process for this project. In cost page, the upper window shows an item of glass with the total cost and the bottom part shows the detail of glass and the processes and their costs. In additional cost page, like taxes, VAT and handling charges etc. are in additional cost page, calculated automatically based on formula. Here we add and handling charges of glass. So type handling charges 2000 rupee, add to cost and show in report. Both we tick. In output page, save the project. Here we see that total cost of project 1,70,425. We can see total cost detail in the table here along with the area of glass and number of different glass in the projects. We print the code with all the details. Press on code button. Here quotation is generated. We can also generate other document like job sheet, bill of material, delivery challan and invoices. This brings us end of demonstration. Thank you for watching this demonstration and your time. For more information and tutorial, please visit our website www.nirvanatech.com.